Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to welcome everyone who traveled from near and far to join us here today in the matrimony of my two dear friends, Tevis and Emma. Tevis introduced us to Emma. I was honestly surprised that the lone wolf built up the courage to go talk to such a pretty, energetic, outgoing, kind-hearted girl. But I could tell by how she brightened his smile, broke him out of his shell, that she was the one.
I know this road rarely comes easy. It's hard to see clearly when the heart is on the run.
Growing up under the same roof, Emma and I shared countless memories together. We always found a way to make anything fun. One of our favorite childhood games was playing mermaids, even if that meant doing it in the bathtub and causing the ceiling below us to leak because we made too big of waves. Sorry, Dad. There's a patch to hold a memory of us forever. Emma, I've watched you grow into an incredible woman who now helps people who might get their fingers slammed in doors, rather than causing the finger slamming herself. And the light you bring to everyone you meet is truly inspiring.
Tevis, they do say, when 3,000 men go out to sea in the Navy, 1,500 come back as couples. I'm just glad you chose Emma to come back with, and not someone named Big Mike.
Don't let your fear keep you from living. Your stories unwritten.
Tevis, I know you see this too, and the way you support Emma's caring nature is a testament to your own thoughtfulness and patience.
Follow the light wherever it leads you. Keep chasing what moves you. Don't let it
Emma, you've
slip
grown into
away.
someone who helps others effortlessly, inspiring me with the kindness and passion you
Keep
show.
your head up, child, you'll find
Tevis is like a brother to me. After all we've been through, I've seen you become a better man ever since you've met Emma, especially the patience.
I promise this, I'll be here for you, no matter where you plant your roots.
Seeing the love and care you both have for each other warms my heart. Not to mention, Tevis has taken over my role in annoying and comforting her in the best ways possible, like leaving the light on when she comes home in the dark.
Fell in love with you. Your eye is always so hard to read. Your smile, your jawline. You've done nothing but be my rock in life. You always supported me through everything and still do.
Floating through the windows in your eyes. Uncovering the light inside it. Let the moment take us by surprise.
Here we are, our wedding day. It's been a long road to this day, and we both have the same feeling, stress, and excitement. I'm looking forward to seeing you walk down the aisle and say hi to me.
You've done everything you've shown me. Your support, love, respect, trust, comfort through these years. I can't wait for you to see me in my dress today. Yes, which I have. I can't wait to marry you. I can't wait to be your wife.
I love you and will continue to love you just like I've done before and always. Enjoy this day and the start of another chapter.
Tevis, you may kiss your bride. ladies and gentlemen, the new Mr. and Mrs. Palmer.
This is what it feels like, living in the moment, living in the moment.
As we celebrate this special day, I want to remind both of you to cherish the moments that brought you here. Love, much like a roller coaster, is filled with the twists, turns, laughter, happiness, and trust. And your ride has only just begun, and I have no doubt it'll be an incredible adventure. So, Emma and Tevis, may your love continue to grow and your laughter never fade. I love you both, and I couldn't be more thrilled to officially welcome you to our family, Tevis. Thank you.
The future is in our reach. When I'm looking at you in the
Emma, we welcome you to the family. We love you, and we're glad that you're a part of Tevis's lives. To Tevis and Emma Palmer.